In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Anytime Fitness. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Signing up for an Anytime Fitness membership is extremely simple. You can do this process online and then visit a location where you scheduled an appointment for, or you can do it in person, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna cover both methods in this video. So first, for you to get information on gyms near you and start this process online, go over to anytimefitness.com. In here, you can use the Find a Gym option on the navigation bar at the top of your screen, and this will give you an interactive map. In here, you can include a city, state, or zip code, and you will be able to find gyms near you. So note down the specific address, and you will be able to visit them to start and get your free pass. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to go to the location right away, you can schedule an appointment. So click on Try Us Free on the top right corner of the screen and include once again a city, state, or zip code. By doing this, you will then be able to see all of the gyms near the location that you included. Click on any of them, and then you can input your first name, last name, email, phone, and zip code. Make sure that you read and agree with the terms of service and click submit. You will then be able to choose the option to book a tour, so you can select a date and time. So anytime that you select one date here, you will be able to see the times available. So choose any of these dates, choose the time, and then select Let's do this. You will then be redirected to another page where your appointment will be scheduled, and you will be able to visit and receive your pass. After this is done, you can get it activated and see more membership options. So all that you have to do is visit the location on this exact time and date, and you will be able to get your Anytime Fitness membership started. Here's your free guest pass, and you will also be able to invite a buddy if you wish. You can contact them by clicking this option, and this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Anytime Fitness. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.